Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the DOM is ready and an img element has an ID you control. Attach your script at the end of body or listen for DOM content loaded so elements exist. Once done, define the two image sources, the current SRC and the new SRC string. You will target the element by document. Get element by ID, photo, and verify its SRC property. This avoids race conditions and makes subsequent updates predictable and fast. You now perform the change, get the element reference with document. Get element by ID and set its SRC property to the new URL. Make sure to use exact strings, and if switching based on state, check current SRC first to avoid redundant updates. Once you assign img SRC, the browser begins loading. To reduce visible flicker, preload by creating const p equals new image. P, SRC equals new JPG, then assign when p, onload fires. Also, you finish by adding robustness. Attach img owner to show a fallback image or trigger a retry logic, and use onload to run any layout updates after the new image renders. Make sure to update any state variables or UI indicators so the rest of your app knows the change completed. One key troubleshooting tip: if the image fails to load, check network logs and CORS headers for remote files, and try cache-busting query strings to ensure you're fetching the latest resource.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.